Good day, guys. Welcome back to the channel. So, if you are yet to subscribe and you've not done that, make sure you please do well to click on the subscribe button, like, share, make a comment, and also follow the Telegram channel. I'll put a link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. So, let's see what we'll be expecting this week on our Nasdaq 100. So, we will roll out to the daily time frame to understand the trend. And you clearly can see when you zoom it out, we are on an uptrend move. So, our full movement on Nasdaq 100 is literally on an uptrend move. Now that is it. Here is our higher high, and here is the higher low. This is also the higher high, and here comes the higher low. So a new higher high is about to form. So we are having that bullish move whereby a new higher high form anytime soon. But if you take a look at it, we're having a multiple rejection here, meaning our current trend on Nasdaq 100 is literally ranging. So we can see we had it push up to tap this our resistance, then it dropped to our support, eventually came to tap our resistance, eventually dropped to our support. Then we saw it came to tap our resistance. Now we should be expecting another drop to the support level. This trend is mostly for day traders, by the way. So for day traders, you should be looking for the sell from the resistance level down to the support level. But for swing traders, you should be looking for a way to enter the buy that we take out this level. But possibly once we have a breakout of this level, it will likely continue to push up, push up. That is for swing traders. But for day traders, continue to range with it. Just follow the Telegram channel. I'll put the link in the comment section to stay updated.